Alright guys, sorry about the low quality. I use CapCut to edit all these clips together, and it's 1080p output. So I'm gonna do a quick little walk around showing the whole inside here before the electrician comes to hook everything up. He'll be here like in the next 5-10 minutes, but I want to come here and do a quick little clip showing everything. But here's all the walls. You guys will see soon enough all the wiring through here. So they're gonna come back and put all the receptacles in once we get the drywall and everything put in. But everything's getting hooked up, and then we're just, waiting for drywall to get done. But here's all the walls. This is the office here. Office is here. I think it's like 10 by 12 or 10 by 14, or no, it's 12 by 14, 12 by 14. But here we go. Let's switch here to a better mode. We'll do another walkthrough. All right, and here we go. That's everything. Oh, you're probably wondering about this slot here. One of those vents are gonna go in there. It's gonna be on like setting 1 or half of setting 1. It's gonna blow a little bit of heat in here during the winter or whenever it's cold in the office. So that way, we can reuse the heat that we have coming in. You're probably wondering how we're gonna keep the office cold. We are gonna get one of those roll around AC units. So you just, plug in the wall and it just rolls around. So that's what we're doing. So there's our quick little walkthrough of the mining shed before the electric company comes. And yes, we're putting the rest of the vents in. We're just waiting until the electric gets hooked up.